Hey friends, who's hungry? Nothing says Southern like a big old pot of turnip greens. Let me show you how I make mine. Turnip greens tend to have a lot of dirt and sand trapped in their leaves, so the first thing we want to do is wash them. I fill up my sink with cold water, then submerge the leaves and swish them around to loosen the dirt. If you have a small sink like I do, you may need to do this in batches. Just be sure to drain and refill the sink with clean water in between. Allow the leaves to soak for a few minutes to allow the dirt to settle to the bottom of the sink. While the leaves are soaking, cook one 12-ounce package of salt pork in a large stock pot. You can also use pork jowls, ham hocks, a ham bone, turkey legs, or bacon. Render off some of the fat from the meat, then add 4 cups of cold water. Bring the water to a boil, then cover and simmer for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we want to remove the center stems from the larger leaves. The stems are bitter and don't taste very good. You can use a sharp knife to do this, or simply pull the leaves away from the stems with your hands. After that's done, we need to chop the leaves into smaller pieces. I take a large bunch of leaves and roll them up into a tight bundle, then start chopping them into ribbons. To the pot of salt pork, we're going to add half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Bring the pot to a boil again and then add your greens. You may need to work in batches and allow the greens to wilt down to make room for more. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot again, and then cook for 1 to 2 hours. The longer the greens cook, the more tender they will become. Before serving, season the greens with salt and pepper if needed.